In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Mailchimp emails as PDFs quickly and easily. Whether you want to archive your emails, share them offline, or just save them for future reference, this guide will walk you through the straightforward process of converting your Mailchimp emails into PDF format. First things first, you'll need to open Mailchimp and log into your account. Make sure you have your login credentials handy, as it is the gateway to accessing all your campaigns. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the campaign section. Click on campaigns in the main navigation menu to locate the email you wish to download. This is where all your past and ongoing campaigns are listed, so it should be easy to find the email in question. After you've found the email, the next step is to view it. Clicking on the specific campaign will often give you various options. You'll want to select View Email. This will bring up the full email layout, replicating how it appears to recipients, which is an essential step before moving forward with saving it. Now look for an option within the email that says View in Browser. This is typically found at either the top or bottom of your email. Clicking this link will open the full email directly in a new browser tab. This step is crucial because it ensures that you have a clean version of the email which matches what the recipient sees, ready for converting to a PDF. With the email open in a new tab, it's time to move on to the printing part of the process. Here, you'll want to initiate the print dialog. On a Windows computer, that means pressing Ctrl+P. For Mac users, you'll hit CMD+P. This key combination will bring up the print settings where you'll make some important adjustments. In the print dialog, you'll see options to select a printer. For our purpose, you'll need to change the destination or printer setting to Save as PDF. This selection is what allows us to transform the email from something we'd physically print into a file format that can be easily shared and stored digitally. Once you've selected Save as PDF, you're almost done. Look for the Save button to finalize this action. Clicking it will prompt you to choose a location on your device to save the PDF. Make sure to pick a memorable place so you can easily find the PDF later. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully downloaded your email as a PDF. This method ensures that all your formatting is preserved and your email is archived exactly as it appears in Mailchimp. Feel free to repeat this process for any other emails you need to save. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.